Safety is a fundamental pillar in the design and operation of energy storage systems, BESS. From preventing fires to managing overloads, protection systems ensure the efficient and safe operation of these facilities. In this video, we'll explore the most important systems, from BMS to automatic shutdown systems. Join me to understand how these elements protect both your projects and your investments. The BMS is the brain of any BESS system. It monitors parameters such as temperature, voltage, current, and state of charge, SOC, to ensure safe operation. Key features are real-time monitoring, collects data constantly to detect anomalies before they become major problems. Overcharge protection, automatically disconnects the battery in the event of dangerous levels of charge or discharge. Cell balancing, optimizes the charge of each cell to extend battery life. Fire protection is critical, especially for lithium-ion-based systems due to the risk of thermal runaway. The main systems are automatic extinguishing. Technologies such as FM, 200 or CO2 are activated upon detection of smoke or a temperature rise, extinguishing fires without damaging electrical components. Forced ventilation dissipates heat generated by the batteries and expels hazardous gases, maintaining a safe environment. These systems allow the BESS to be safely disconnected from the grid and the inverter in the event of power failures. The key features are automatic disconnects, cut off power flow in the event of overloads or short circuits to protect components. Protection relays, continuously monitor current and voltage to prevent damage. SCADA integration, allows remote monitoring and control, improving operational safety. Bottom line, BMS is essential for battery monitoring and optimization. Extinguishing and ventilation systems prevent risks associated with heat and fire. Disconnection systems protect both the BESS and the connected infrastructure. A recommendation: when designing your BESS system, prioritize the integration of these technologies to comply with regulations and ensure operational safety. If you need advice on implementing these solutions in your projects, contact me on LinkedIn. Together we can ensure that your system is safe, efficient, and cost-effective. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to continue learning about BESS systems.